The Callaway Camaro ZL1, the most powerful Camaro you can buy new, with 750 horsepower under your right foot. Callaway's proprietary Gen 3 Supercharger system produces astounding power. It retains the full factory warranty, and the see-through hood design is unique. You have a true shaker hood. 750 horsepower under your right foot. The Callaway Camaro ZL1 is the most powerful Camaro you can buy new. The authentic article continuing a tradition of over 30 years. The Callaway sc750 is a 750 horsepower Callaway Camaro ZL1. Retains the full factory warranty. Official Callaway documentation and Callaway warranty. Available at select Chevrolet dealers nationwide. Go to CallawayCars.com for current dealer inventory. The Callaway Camaro SC750.